Welcome back, traders. Let's quickly recap today's Nifty movement and see how it performed compared to our morning outlook. Earlier today, in our pre market analysis, we expected to be a flat to positive day with potential upside between 80 to 200 points and limited downside will be up to S1 near 24,950. So, did the market move exactly as we anticipated? Let's break it down. So Nifty started the day around 25,000 zone, opening flat just as expected. In the first half, we saw mild buying interest across banks and large cap stocks, lifting the index towards 25,100 level, testing resistance near R1 which is 25,116. However, as the session progressed, the index struggled to sustain above the resistance. Profit booking kicked in around mid-session and Nifty gradually slipped back toward 25,000, maintaining a sideways to slightly positive tone for most of the day. Overall, the price action perfectly aligned with our prediction of a flat to positive session. Neither a strong breakout nor a major sell-off. And coming to our support and resistance, our support and resistance zones once again guided the day's structure beautifully. The R1 level at 25,116 acted as a perfect ceiling. The market approached it but failed to close above it decisively. On the other side, like on the downside, the S1 zone at 24,951 provided a strong cushion. Every minor dip near that zone got absorbed quickly by buyers, showing that the bulls were defending that level strongly. This price behavior confirmed that Nifty was trading exactly within our projected range, which is like between S1 and R1, showing a classic consolidation day after a strong up move earlier this week. Coming to our sectorial outlook, like Bank Nifty stayed mixed, showing both buying in private banks and mild selling in PSU names. And coming to IT stocks, which are remaining sideways with no clear momentum due to global tech softness. Also, auto and FMCG contributed positively, supported by stable crude prices and festive demand expectations. Coming to metals and energy, which showed minor gains, and also in line with firm European cues they followed. This cross sector rotation kept the index balanced and prevented any one sided fall, and also matching the flat to positive bias we anticipated. Coming to a technical standpoint, today's candle structure shows a narrow bodied candle around the 25,000 mark, signaling indecision but with higher support intact. The overall structure still remains bullish about 24,950, and any breakout about 25,120 to 25,200 could trigger a new leg up toward R2 at 25,206 and beyond in the coming session. As long as Nifty holds above the S1 zone, the short term trend continues to favor the bulls. And coming to the final conclusion, our pre market prediction of a flat to positive market played out perfectly. And also, Nifty respected both S1 and R1 levels, showing a contained but constructive day. The market remains poised for a potential upside continuation if momentum builds about 25,120 in the next session. We'll continue tracking these levels closely tomorrow to see if the bulls can finally break through auto. And thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more daily Nifty updates. Until then, trade safe and stay disciplined. We'll see you tomorrow.